Hey YouTube, so I know you're super close in on my face, but that's because we're doing a tutorial today. I am doing the look I did the other day, which was like this kind of sunset streak of blue look. And I just wanted to do it together. I did have a request to do it, and I also thought it came out pretty cool. I'm doing this video because my anxiety is through the roof today. I know that you guys are probably sick of hearing so much about anxiety and depression in the YouTube community, but you're also talking to people that hoard makeup and hoard things. So you're also tuning into a group of people who have mental problems. I'm not trying to say severe, but there's something a little off when we're all hoarding 70 pounds of perishable lipstick. Needless to say, the YouTube community is running rampant with anxiety and depression, myself included. I'm going to be really honest with you guys. I am medicated for severe anxiety, but sometimes things come up that send me down a spiral, and makeup is my thing to unleash, release. I know this sounds super depressing. You guys know I'm such a super happy person, but we'll get into it. Stay tuned. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to moisturize. If I could find my moisturizer. Oh, it's right in front of my face. I'm also drinking wine. I've been on keto, but I know you're probably like, alcohol and anxiety, Meg, but I just need some glasses of wine, dude. So I'm using my Formula 10.06 Thirsty No More Moisturizer. I will zoom you in more on my face later. I know it's a mess behind me, but guys, we're doing a makeup look, okay? Rub it in, rub it in. Oh God. God darn you. Then I am using my Too Faced Shadow Insurance on my balls, aka my eyeballs. You know what? I am so out of sorts today. And if you're wondering why I'm out of sorts, I shouldn't even be saying anything because something might not even come of it, but there's a couple things. There's one huge one that I always tell you guys that one day I'm gonna make a video about, I swear to God. But the next one is that I just randomly started job hunting, even though I really like my job, but financially, I'm really sick of living paycheck to paycheck. But sometimes, you know, having the environment is better. And I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. The environment is better than money, but I am so sick of having multiple jobs. And I love having makeup artistry job. That's my favorite. I am a makeup artist, but during the week I am a dental office manager, and I love my boss and I love my crew, but I'm just not financially doing okay. Like, I'm just not. Have a college education. I'm trying to pay for that, and it's just there's been so many lucrative offers that kind of got thrown my way unexpectedly, so I'm like kind of exploring that, and I have anxiety about it. So I'm using my Too Faced Shadow Insurance now. And because it's like, do you stay at a job you love? Or do you stay at a job for more money for the same thing, but also more time off? Like better benefits. I have every Friday off, so I'll be able to put more time and effort into my YouTube and makeup, which is what I like to do. It's just really hard. Like, I wish adult decisions weren't so goddamn hard. I mean, I don't even have an offer yet. I'm going on an interview, but I feel like absolute shit about it. And it's like, I feel like I'm cheating on my office. Like, why do I feel like that? Like, why is adulthood always made to make women feel like we're bad people or guilty? Like, I shouldn't be looking out for myself. I should be looking out for other people. I love looking out for other people as opposed to myself, but I can't keep doing that. Why do I do that to myself? I don't know. I'm actually going to use this Juvia's Place the Zulu by Juvia's to do this look. And it's a pretty simple look. So buckle up, buttercup. Is this close enough? Are you creepily close to me? I have sunburn right at the top of my head. They're zoomed in on my eyeballs, and that's just the way it's going to be. My dog's going to bark, so I guess we're taking it to a different mode now. One thing I will say is it's all colorful colors in the Zulu palette, so you want to set your eyelid with a neutral color so that everything blends a little better. So I'm actually using my Aspen Bar palette, the shade Married Life.
you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
This is the completed look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial where we just kind of sang and got over our anxiety together. I hope you have a fantastic night and just breathe. Have an awesome night, guys.